Corrour station and the start of a 3-mile walk past the southwest end of Loch Ossian to Shron na Garbh, meaning nose of the rough hill. In time they will discover that rough would also apply to the weather.
That's us now. First bit. So this bit along here is just a little bit more.
The start of the climb, and a heavy snow shower sweeps in.
Start knocking that out, the pressure will start to rise, so I'll actually end up showing myself lower down the hill.
Having topped the steep pull-up Shron na Garbh, there remains the long pull-up the relatively gentle slopes of Garbh. The aim is to get as high as possible and leave enough daylight time to prepare a campsite in the snow.
Is this you not having fun in the snow, Ken?
To the west, across the deep trench of Loch Trig, 600 metres below, the impressive twin mountains of Stob Corraeson and Stoba Corrae Meall. Campsite preparations. Solid snow walls are built to protect the tent from the wind on this very exposed ridge.
Right, how much further up should I go on? One layer. I think this is just a wedge, that's all it is.
Plumb line. Plumb line.
All is peaceful. Preparations for a hot meal, a dram, a good night's sleep, and if the weather remains calm through tomorrow, there will be an opportunity for good high-level hill walking in impressive scenery.
Just got to make sure I'm on camera. Hide behind this storm lamp.
Well, how are we going to get out of here, chaps?
Might have to just stay.
Oh dear.
That's a new excuse for the horse tomorrow.
Snowed into my tent. Oh dear.
Porridge preparation starts with melting some snow. Outside things are not so calm. Walking and filming has to be abandoned with all effort directed to rescuing the tent from its snowbound tomb.
That's a bit dramatic, yeah. But yes. Okay.
And then you can just have it sensibly foolish. Anyway.
Sensibly foolish. Foolishly sensible.
I'm glad the sensibly foolish bit was caught on.
Is that better?
That's a lot better. You're very handsome.
The hard work is finished and relaxation follows as the train speeds homeward over a snowy run.